Hi people, Simon speaking. Today I wanted to show to you how to make this program to look similar like Softimage 2015 Service Pack 2 because not everyone likes dark interface because I will show to you how to make it bright because you can customize and we have option like custom default switcher. Custom default switcher. In this option, we can choose the interface. We have got design wizard. So many things. Make sure you select the proper one. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to uh, quit application to apply changes. And also I wanted to show to you how to, when you have a grid and viewport, you can enable gradient and change color of the grid as well. Alt B, so you can customize viewport configuration. Or you can select in customize user interface. You can also, oh, this is interesting, zoom about mouse point, very important. Oh, look, orbit, photographic viewport, colors. I just have to think where I was, because we have background, viewport background. Now this implies gradient, viewport gradient, background bottom. I always prefer for that light and dark pink color. Mm, grid. Set by color. You can use invert, so your grid will be white. You can also save your film. You can call this Softimage, soft, Softimage Service Pack 2, Softimage 2015. It used to crash in the past. You can also resize grid by right mouse button when you click home grid, perspective view grid extent, grid spacing. I think that this could be useful for people who want to have a bigger workspace. Convert to edit fully. Because they didn't turn something important. Not viewport configuration, viewport clipping. Why is it so important? Because the further you go, you can cut through object when you use viewport clipping. Especially when you have more complex object. I hope you like this video tutorial. I find it easier for my eyes when I work with 3ds Max. Also, you can resize this bar. Let's check knife tool. I had to configure knife tool if you have any issues. This option helped me to fix knife tool, but this tutorial should not be about this. I just wanted to show you something. Okay, you can see, because your knife tool will behave, will snap quicker, but this is why I wanted to decrease where I was. Selection pixel radius. Let's check the lowest value for to see how our knife will behave. But make sure when you cut edges, it will show up, because knife tool changes once you touch edge or vertex. But this video tutorial was mainly about how to change the interface of the program itself.